Okay, hey, this is Dr. Jonathan Mainieri, and today we're going to talk about kids' posture. We have Kentaro here. We're going to just have him help us out with some posture-related things using the block. But first of all, kids' posture, I've been in practice for 14 years. I've seen thousands of kids. And usually what happens is the thoracic curve starts to bend forward. And the ligaments and tendons start to grow in an abnormal posture. That's why it's so important to get this fixed as much as possible, when kids are young. So with Kentaro here, let's have Kentaro. I want you to face this way. Normal kids' posture, they tend to slouch a little bit, especially if they have a big backpack. So you want the backpack to be less than 10% of their body weight, okay? So in an ideal situation. But a lot of kids, they start to hunch in here. Their back is actually starting to grow in an abnormal posture, which isn't good, because at the age of 25, the spine is fully ossified. It's much harder to fix it at that point. So what we use in the office is this posture block back here, which I'm going to kind of demonstrate how we have patients use this at home. Kentaro, why don't you hop up here and just kind of lay back here. Very easy to use this posture block. I've used it on, like I said, thousands of patients. And what it does for adults, teens, and kids is it causes muscle memory. It stretches the ligaments and tendons so that when they use it after a few months and weeks, they're saying, whoa, they start to hold a better posture without really doing that much. For adults, there is additional exercises and kind of crunches because their abs get weak. And the kids can do those as well. There's a video on our website as well. But try to have the kids use this up to 10 minutes a day, and you'll see just in a few weeks, and you'll start to see, wow, their posture is really changing. The other thing that's important about posture is if they start hunching, usually those kids that they tend to, not necessarily, but they tend to be a little more shy. They're kind of more self-conscious. So if your kid is a little more self-conscious about themselves, if their posture is off, they're hunching, this will really open up their presence, allow them to stand up more properly, and it's a very, very important preventative tool, like I said, to fix this posture now before we get that kind of permanent damage here to the middle back. Anyways, you can click below. There's a link below on this website where you can click to order the posture block. Like I said, use this just for up to 10 minutes a day, and you'll start to see some great changes for your kids.